These are so cute. It's a ladies' tee. I love the glitter. And we have the little 2-packs. These are $5 at Five Below. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, I am out of state today. I am in Iowa, and I am filming in a brand new location for you guys. Yes, we are right here where I left off. We're gonna see what sort of items are new here in this location. Click the card if you want to see my very last video I filmed in here. I'm just kind of giving you guys a tour, showing you guys everything that I see. I'm filming it as I see it. And this store is a little bit different. It's kind of like a big square. It's very open. The flooring is different. It's always fun to go to a variety of Dollar Trees. Living where I live in the Midwest, we don't have super huge populations, and the cities don't even have really big populations, so we don't really have a lot of Dollar Trees. For example, my family and I, we're gonna be moving to Las Vegas in about a year, and I looked it up, and I think Las Vegas has like 30 Dollar Trees. But in most of the cities that I go to, there's either like 1 to 3 Dollar Trees. Those are new, by the way. Looks like we have a lot of shirts down here. Some of my other locations had a lot of shirts as well. Here in this particular store, I'm seeing a lot of youth sizes. We have all different colors. I think most of these are Gildan. This is Fruit of the Loom. We have a pretty pink. It's a ladies' tee in small. I love that pink. I should get Birdy a couple new t-shirts. A couple new sleep shirts, maybe. She likes to wear big sleep shirts when she goes to bed. I might circle back around and look at some of these. It's pretty quiet in here. There's only a few other people in here besides me. Let's turn around and see if I missed anything over here. Oh, it's been so long since I went to a location that had the mops in one piece. I used to buy those mops back in the day. And then I graduated onto better quality mops. But if you're gentle with those mops, they actually can last you a really long time, especially if you regularly mop and you don't really have to do any scrubbing. They actually can last a pretty long time. But when my kids were little, I used to get those, and they would be really rough with them, and then the sponge would rip off. Ooh, what's this? Chocolate sundae cup. They have the single mochis. Ooh. The freezer section looks very immaculate. Ooh, the Italian ices are here and they're back. Macho Mango from Monster, and all the Zoas are here. My oldest son had a performance tonight, and so we are here in a new city that we've never been to, and we just all went out to eat. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are $5 at Five Below. This is the body scrub and wash. I know you guys remember seeing these in Five Below. These retail, you guys, for $5 everywhere else. So it's a great deal if you can find them at your Dollar Tree. Detox charcoal and seaweed. That's definitely new. And behind me, we have a really nice variety, stacked pretty high, of all the body washes, the hand soaps. We also have bar soaps. I always like to search and see if I can find any new scents. This one is back, the Lever 2000 Sweet Pea. That's back. Dial, Old Spice, Dove, Men Plus Care, Irish Spring, Caress. All the deodorants. Power of Nature, Cool, Fresh, and Irish Spring. Those are all from Speed Stick. We also have Regular Light from Speed Stick. And then we have Suave Powder and Secret Shower Fresh and Powder Fresh. We also have Arid. We have Old Spice. We have a couple from Arm & Hammer. We also have about 3 different varieties from Lady Speed Stick. We have Zero. We have Invisible Dry in Shower Fresh and Powder Fresh. Okay, let's see what was behind me over here. Definitely from Five Below. That is a Five Below product. Birdy really likes this Lusty Leave-In Conditioning Cream. To those of you watching for the first time, Birdy's my daughter. Okay. Can't wait to see what else we're gonna find that's brand new. All the hauls. We have makeup. We're almost there. I don't know if it's gonna fit in this video or not. Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is definitely new. Pond's Light with vitamin E and glycerin. As the weather gets warmer, sometimes you need a slightly lighter moisturizer. And we made it to the makeup. We have Wet n Wild Enhance and Define Mascara. These are so cute. Look at these little nail polishes and tiny little files from LA Colors. We also have Strawberry. So cute. We have, ooh, look at this one. I love the glitter. This pretty blue and the beautiful glitter. Anything else? Oh, this one. I think these ones came out maybe right before Valentine's Day. I saw them in the combo stores. I love the glitter. It's so pretty. And then we have the little 2-packs. These are definitely new for the week. We also have purple. And then we have the holographic stars. I think that's it. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. So come back to the very next one. We're going to finish up in makeup and I'm going to show you guys what else is new. If you guys haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.